Hong Kong has recorded its second death from the coronavirus. The victim is a 70-year-old man who had underlying illnesses.
Our correspondent Afifa Arifin has been tracking developments in Hong Kong. She joins us now. Afifa, what more do we know about the city's second death from the coronavirus?
Well, we do know that the second death linked to the coronavirus in Hong Kong is a 70-year-old man. According to Princess Margaret Hospital, the facility which currently treats all the infected patients, the man is the 55th reported case. There are a total of 63 confirmed cases now in Hong Kong. Now, the health authorities had earlier said that this man already had underlying illnesses and lived alone. He was brought to the hospital exactly a week ago when he fell at home. Now, the man then told the hospital when he arrived, he told the staff that he felt shortness of breath and had been coughing since February 2nd. Some medical tests were done and it was confirmed that he was indeed infected with the virus. It was also found that the man had visited mainland China on January 22nd. Now, the health authorities also said that when the man arrived at the hospital, his blood oxygen levels were also already very low. He was sent to the intensive care unit and subsequently later put on life support machine. He died this morning at about 7:22 a.m.
Afifa, about the virus-hit Diamond Princess cruise ship, what are some updates on the Hong Kong government's evacuation plans?
Well, about 45 Hong Kong who were stuck on board the Diamond Princess cruise ship in Yokohama are expected to disembark the ship and take the chartered flight arranged by the government back home to Hong Kong later this evening. According to Hong Kong Security Bureau, immigration officials had already arrived at the Yokohama dock earlier this afternoon and had begun the process of evacuation. We do know that medical screenings had already been done throughout the day, and all those who are tested negative and given the all clear by medical professionals will be allowed to disembark the ship. The authorities are expecting that the Hong Kongers could leave the cruise ship at about 9 p.m. later tonight. They have also arranged about 10 coaches to transport the passengers from the cruise ship to Haneda Airport, and they will take the first chartered flight. They will leave the airport at about 1:45 a.m. on Thursday morning. We know that there are a total of 3 chartered flights arranged by the government. 2 more will leave tomorrow. So as I said, there were only 45 people expected to leave tonight. There's a total of 350 Hong Kongers still on board. Once these people arrive in Hong Kong, they will still be subjected to mandatory quarantine for 14 days.
All right, many thanks for that. Afifa Arifin speaking to us from Hong Kong.